I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, December 3rd, 2025. Late in the day on Monday, December 1st, an Instagram account published a video that has gone locally viral. The video depicts Sherry Dadman, owner of iMode Fashion Boutique, allegedly pouring a bucket of water onto a person who was sheltered under a blue tarp in front of their business. Police were able to speak with the man, who indicated the incident was an accident, and he did not want police involvement or to make a big deal out of what happened, saying it was a misunderstanding. However, the woman who witnessed and videotaped the incident claimed that the act of pouring water onto the man was intentional and was accompanied by two women hitting the man with a broom, not violently, but as if to nudge him along. Read more at Kingstonist.com. The OPP has announced the arrest of two people and charges against them following robberies involving assaults in Madoc and Tyendinaga on the same afternoon. The first incident occurred just after 3:30 p.m. on Monday, December 1st, when two people filled a vehicle with fuel at a gas station on Highway 62 in Madoc. The pair went inside and refused to pay for the gas and other items that were taken from the store, and one person inside the store was struck with a baseball bat, resulting in serious injuries. Another person was also assaulted. A few hours later, the same two people entered a store on Airport Road in Tyendinaga Mohawk Territory at approximately 5 p.m., where an employee was struck with a baseball bat, suffering non-life-threatening injuries. As a result, Tracy Vardy, 59, and Roxanne West, 55, of Tudor and Cashel Township were arrested and charged. The City of Kingston has selected a non-profit Christian organization with extensive experience operating homeless shelters in the Durham region to operate its new shelter at 924 Sydenham Road. Christian Faith Outreach Center Doors of Compassion, which also has charitable status, is in the process of finalizing an agreement to run the day-to-day operations of the 30-bed homeless shelter, which is set to open at the end of 2025. The trial of alleged serial sexual predator Michael Mark Haaima hit another roadblock last week and is now not expected to resume until the new year. The trial, which is now in its 6th month and scheduled to go on hiatus for December, lost the entire last week of November due to Haaima's flu-like symptoms. The matter is adjourned until Thursday, December 4th at 1 p.m. by video to confirm January dates with council and the court. The annual exhibition for the Youth Imagine the Future Festival is set to open at the Queen's Education Library. Previously held at the Kingston School of Art Window Gallery, the Youth Imagine the Future Festival of Art and Writing shows how local youth are imagining a more resilient future for all of us. The public is invited to vote for their favorite piece of art, People's Choice, which will give the winner a pair of tickets to Improbable Escapes. For more on these stories and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.